Many schools throughout South Africa already have cameras in their classrooms, but now in Gauteng, they want to take it further. They want to have AI cameras in the school classroom as well as biometrics, so that these cameras can track the face and other body parts of the student. I don't know how you feel about this. I want you to tell me in the comments how you feel about the cameras in the classrooms in Gauteng schools being AI cameras where AI will be monitoring what the kids do. And in this article in My Broadband, it says in the headline, Gauteng plans AI cameras in school classrooms to keep violent kids in check. So this is the reason. Now, no camera can sort out or resolve the root cause of a problem. If a kid gets out of hand, the camera is not going to stop the child from doing something bad. You need to go to the root of the problem and remove problem children from that environment so that they cannot hurt others or distract others or cause serious injury. There's been stabbings at school, there's been killings at schools. So Gauteng Education MEC Lebogang Maele has announced plans to strengthen school safety in the province, which could include equipping classrooms with AI-powered cameras and biometric access. Now, this is all part of the digitization of South Africa, the fourth industrial revolution, where in school your kids are now going to be monitored by AI cameras in real time. In a presentation on the 2nd of June 2026, Maele said his vision included armed response systems to protect learning environments from misconduct, violence, ill discipline, and other unlawful acts. So, armed response systems. I wonder what that is. What do you think an armed response system is? Gauteng Education spokesperson Onwabile Lubelwana shared further details on the plans in an interview with Newsroom Africa. I will give you a link to the article in the description below this video as well as in the first comment. There has been intervention in schools. These include having cameras, but the MEC want to take it further, Lubelwana said. He wants to take it to the extent of having biometric systems and AI-powered cameras which recognize the face and some other body parts. That sounds horrible. Tell me in the comments if you think that sounds horrible. Lubelwana explained that corporates had approached the department. Now, the way this is phrased is ridiculous. Including a big company that previously renovated a school. What has renovation at a school got to do with this? So some company actually approached them. That's what happened here, and they're just falling for a hook, line, and sinker. Some are coming to assist in terms of tech, such as cameras inside the classroom. Not everyone is looking for a tender. Why must she even mention that? Many are patriotic and want to help make the schools work, he said. Come on. This is big money. Big money. Biometrics in schools, as well as AI cameras, monitoring in real time. Through these interventions, the Gauteng Department of Education, Sport, Art and Culture hopes to bring an end to a spate of violent incidents observed at many of the province's schools. How is monitoring things with an AI camera going to stop someone from doing something in the moment, in a heated moment? Especially if you have testosterone-driven boys in a classroom. I can tell you the camera is going to make no difference. The schools are a reflection of society, I agree. There is a spillover of what is happening in our communities. It is reflected in our schools, Lubelwana said in another interview with SABC News. Part of this includes exposure to violence. This includes domestic violence. It includes children being exposed to criminality in their communities and unfavorable upbringing spaces. The government needs to look at the root cause of the problem. The camera is not the root cause. He said the department had observed more incidents of learner-on-learner violence and learner attacking teachers or other school workers. I sometimes have sympathy for that. I have certainly smacked a teacher in my past, and he absolutely deserved it. We became best buds later. Asked about the proliferation of weapons such as guns in schools, Lubowana said the MEC was calling on the community to volunteer in schools to conduct search procedures. That's actually a great way of doing things, getting the community involved. Schools should be a community-based things. And then it's got a sub-headline here, AI-powered cameras can detect criminals and prevent break-ins. Can. While the effectiveness of AI-powered cameras for discipline in Gauteng schools remain to be seen, the technology has proven itself highly effective in home and neighborhood security. And that all depends. Because at the end of the day, AI-powered cameras can be used to monitor, track and trace your every move, every moment of the day. And like I said before, people that say, but I'm not a criminal, I want these cameras to catch criminals, until you are. When you think you're not the criminal, and you are now the criminal for driving around at a certain time of night or driving beyond a certain point, all of a sudden, you become the criminal. What if 15-minute cities and many other insane technological things are implemented where you think that you're not a criminal, but the government thinks you're a criminal? How are these AI cameras that you are funding going to help you then? So you can go and read the rest of this article, but I want you to tell me in the comments what you think about the fact that this is being driven heavily. They speak here of a company that they say is patriotic and actually want to help, and it's not just looking for a tender. AI cameras in schools, biometrics in schools. A lot of people will probably support this. Tell me in the comments what you think. I stand and err on the side of freedom. And with it comes responsibility and risk. Yes, you need to be vigilant. You need to be many other things. And I'll rather choose that than have someone else monitor, track and trace me every moment of every day. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Click that bell icon so you can get notifications for future videos. And remember to like this video and share it with your friends and family.